Hello everyone, welcome back to class. So we are doing which chapter? Pattern and symmetry. In this pattern and symmetry you have seen about the symmetry, you have learned about the symmetry and you have known that symmetrical figure, about symmetrical figure and line of symmetry. So today you will know about the geometrical shape. Symmetry in geometrical shape. Okay, what you will know about symmetry in geometrical shape. So what you are seeing this is the shape of a rectangle. Yes, this is the shape of a rectangle. In this rectangle what you can see that it has, I have divided into one line. So this is the symmetrical line. Rectangle can divide it into a half like this, okay, and this is also a rectangle and it is divided also one straight line like this way. It can divide, rectangle also can divide like this way. Okay, next you are seeing that one more rectangle. So it is confirmed to you all that rectangle can divide it in two ways. Okay, one symmetrical line like this way and one symmetrical line this way. That means one symmetrical line here and one symmetrical line here. So a rectangle has two lines of symmetry. What does rectangle have? A rectangle has two lines of symmetry. So what is the figure? This one, rectangle. What is that? Rectangle. Okay, so in rectangle what you are seeing that it has two lines of symmetry. Understood? In rectangle you are seeing that rectangle is having two lines of symmetry. So what you have learned here about this figure, geometrical shape. Here one shape is given here, rectangle shape. In this rectangle shape you have seen that it can be divided in two way. Symmetrical line you can draw in two way, that like this way horizontal and also a vertical. So two line of symmetry is there. In rectangle how many symmetry lines are there? Two lines of symmetry. Next one, this one is also a geometrical shape. Which shape this is? This is a circle. What is this? Circle. Okay, this is the shape of a circle. So you are seeing that first I have drawn here one line. So you can divide the circle into one way like this way, otherwise like this way. Okay, and what you can do, you can divide like this, many ways you can divide the circle. So a circle has infinite line of symmetry. What does circle have? A circle has infinite line of symmetry. Clear it is? In this circle you are seeing that circle can divide in infinite line. So you can say that a circle has infinite line of symmetry. So it is clear to you all about the geometrical shape. In geometrical shape what you have learned? You have learned about the symmetric shape, symmetrical line. So rectangle that has a two line of symmetry and circle has infinite line of symmetry. So what does circle has? Circle has infinite line of symmetry. Understood? Now next you will know about a symmetrical line in a letter. Symmetrical line in a letter. So these all are the English alphabet letter. You are knowing A, B, C, D. These all are English alphabet letter. So number 1, it is alphabet A. A letter is there. So you can divide into one line. A can divide into one symmetrical line you can draw in the letter A. Next one is the letter B. In letter B also you can draw a one symmetrical line. Symmetrical means it should be, both sides should be same. Okay. If you are dividing this into symmetrical, that means this portion, right portion and left portion, both sides will be the same in position. So in A, what you will see, when you will draw one line this side and this side, it will be the same. So in this alphabet you can draw a one line of symmetry. In B also, if you will draw your line, upper portion and downer portion, it will be the same. Division will be same. So you can draw a one line of symmetry. Now you are seeing here F. What is this alphabet F? F you can draw any line? No. If you will draw here one line, so it will be both sides, it will be not the same. If you will draw one line, then also it will be the not same. So no line of symmetry. So in this alphabet, in this letter, no line of symmetry. So you have learned about the symmetry, line of symmetry. Some letters, all letters, they do not have a line of symmetry. Some letters they have line of symmetry and some letter they do not have any line of symmetry. Understood? It is clear? So what you have seen today? Today you have seen about the geometrical shape and also about a letter. Okay? So in geometrical shape, what you have seen that about geometrical shape, we have dealt with rectangle and with the circle. In rectangle, what you have seen that in rectangle there is two line of symmetry. Rectangle is having two line of symmetry. And circle, what you are seeing in circle, that circles have infinite line of symmetry. Circle can divide infinite anywhere, but when you will fold, same portion will be there in each place. So you can say that circle is having infinite line of symmetry. And these all, what are these? These all are alphabet. Okay. So these all are alphabet, or you can say that English alphabet or letter. So all letters does not have a symmetry line. For example, we will see today, we will take the letter A. In this letter A, if you will divide it like this way, so it is having one line of symmetry. This is the letter B, we can divide it is like this way, both sides same, quantity will be same, things will be there. So letter B is also having one line of symmetry. But in letter F, what we are seeing that we can't divide this letter F. Why? Because both sides it will be not the same position. So you can say that letter F are having no line of symmetry. So what you will write here? No line of symmetry. Understood? No line of symmetry. In this you can write one line symmetry. One line of symmetry. And this also one line of symmetry. Understood? So it is clear to you all about this letter. In like this way, all letter this does not have a line of symmetry. Okay, this is clear to you all. Next day we will continue with other topic. Okay, thank you to everyone.